Let's talk about how to swap two variables in Xcode. Let's create a new project. So swap two vars. Great. So today we don't need to draw anything, so we don't need to create any view file. Let's go directly to here and we can put our code here. When the view is loaded, here is the entry point of our program. Let's try test it. So hello, and let's use our favorite simulator, even though we don't need that actually today. Yeah, hello here, you see, on the console. We don't need that, and let's stop it, and we'll focus on this area today. So variable is like a box holding some value. So let's define the variable var like a equals, for example, 3, okay, and b equals, say, 7. So we can print out a and b, right? So let's move this one to here. Let's print out. So this is a box, right, holding a value 3, and since it's a variable, we can change the content of the box. So later we can let a equal to something else, right? So let's print out, say, this is the syntax to, let's output this as is. A equals, now here backslash parenthesis is the content, the value of a, and let's also show b. Oh no, we have to put it here. B equals backslash again parentheses, now b here. Let's give a try. So command R, run it. Yeah, you see here a is 3, b is 7. Now of course, yeah, we can change, right? We can change a to something else. For example, 13, b 17, right? So if we print again, we'll see the new value. Yeah, let's try command R to run it. Yeah, a equals the new value and b. So now the goal, the target of our job, right, is how to swap the value of a and b. You cannot do something like that, right? Yeah, some people might say, oh, we can do that, so now we swap the value. Let's give a try. This is the, yeah, the content right? The content is swapped between the two boxes, A and B. But this is not flexible. It's called hard-coded code because if we change the value of that, we have to, yeah, modify here, right? So how can we find a solution? So whatever A contains, right, and B contains, we can swap their content. Now pause the radio and see how can you find how can we swap A and B. Okay, so put your code here. Okay, I assume you already have a goal for that. So we can use, right? We can define another box, right? To actually, yeah, C to hold A, then we can assign A with B, right? And then we can change B to the original A, which is in C, right? So now A will be B and B will be the original A. Okay, let's give it a try. A, yeah, they swap. You see here? So this is the solution. And what's the warning of that? Because we never change the content of C after it's defined, right? After it is initialized with A. So in this case, we can use let to make this explicit. This is a constant. So let's run it. It compiles and it works. Now pause the radio. Can you find a solution without introducing a new box like that? So just use those two boxes. Can we do that? Do you have the solution? Now, without introducing a new constant or variable. Here is the trick, okay? Now, here is the fun part. Here is where the magic happens. It's very, very tricky, right? How can we swap the two things without adding another box? Okay, the idea is we can put the two things together into the first box A, right? Now A contains the result of A plus B. So now we want to put the B, right? Eventually we need B, the value of B in the X in the box A. So A will be, and A the original A will be put into the B. So we'll take, now this A contains the sum of that, so we can take away the B, right? It will be the original A. We'll put this original A to the box B. So, and what about this one? The new A will be the original B. Original B will be the sum, right, minus the new A, which is here inside that. So it looks so weird, right? B equals A minus B, and A equals A minus B. Okay, so let's give it a try. Command R. You see, it does work. It does work. Now let's change this to something else. Okay, 33 and 777. Okay, run it again. You see, it works like a charm. So this is the trick you can show your friends or your family. That's it for today. See you next time.